This is the low stakes quiz maker or the retrieval maker or the do now maker, or you can use this in class after you've taught it for deliberate practice. So you go to the LSQ maker, select the topics that you want to test the students on. The questions then appear on the screen and you can put a title up as well. There's today's date, so it's a great way to start every lesson. If you click on each question, the answers will appear, so you can go through question by question. And if you press the answers button at the top right, it will make all the questions' answers appear at once. If you press it again, the answers disappear. And if you press new questions, then new questions will appear for the topics that you have selected. The LSQ maker also produces questions for Key Stage 3 as well as Key Stage 4, as you can see here. You can also put formula practice on the board for the students. So when you press formula practice, you can put 10 questions of the formula that are going to come up in their exams. This is word and symbol equations for every subject. The resources page has all resources that you would ever need for your students in your classroom or for homework. You can select GCSE or Key Stage 3, then you select your exam board, type of booklet, and then the subject. The title of each booklet will appear and the answers are there as well. So it's not just a booklet, but the answers are there as well. So the types of booklets that we have are exam booklets about the noise. So lots of 2 to 6 mark questions divided up by their topic, and the answers are there as well. So it's not just a booklet, but the answers are there as well. We've also got booklets with the questions from our videos, so they have got the gap fills and the questions as well. We've also got 3 to 6 mark questions for you to use in lessons, and the answers are there as well. So it's not just a booklet, but the answers are there as well. Want to make your own bespoke booklet? Use our worksheet maker to make your own booklets in seconds. Select the questions that you want from the topics that you want, select export, put a title on, and there you go. The questions with the answers for any topic across the entirety of the GCSE and Key Stage 3 curriculums.